You ride to whatever playground you want. Good job, buddy. Pedal. Get your feet up. Pedal. Go ahead, put your feet up. Go ahead. You're doing it, Jakey. Go, you go. Yes, you can. Put your feet up and pedal. See, look, there you go. You did it.
Can you?
What? You can do it. Come on with me. I've seen you do it many times. You can do it again. There you go.
You put my hand in my shoulder.
You're doing really good.
Put my hand on my shoulder then.
Let's go ride to the playground and then I'll help you some more. Come on.
Can you put my hand on my shoulder then?
Sure, I'll do it now. There you go. All right, go ahead. Ride all the way to the slide now. Jakey.